Hey there. Are you tired of receiving notifications every time someone mentions that everyone in a Facebook post? In this video, we'll show you how to disable this feature on your Android phone. To get started, open up the Facebook app on your Android phone and access your account. From there, go to the menu and click on the settings icon. Next, click on Profile Settings. From there, tap on Notification Settings. Scroll down and click on Tags. Here, you'll see the option to toggle off the batch at everyone mentions. Simply switch this option off to disable notifications for at everyone mentions. By disabling at everyone mentions, you can reduce the number of notifications you receive on Facebook and make your experience on the platform more enjoyable. It's important to note that disabling at everyone mentions will only affect your notifications. You will still be able to see at everyone mentions in posts and comments, but you won't receive a notification for them. In summary, here are the steps to disable at everyone mentions on Facebook on Android. 1. Open the Facebook app and access your account. 2. Go to the menu and click on the settings icon. 3. Click on Profile Settings. 4. Tap on Notification Settings. 5. Scroll down and click on Tags. 6. Toggle off the batch at everyone mentions. That's it. By disabling at everyone mentions, you can reduce the number of notifications you receive on Facebook and make your experience on the platform more enjoyable. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials on social media and technology.